Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to select the language of the application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then tap on the profile icon in the upper right corner of the screen. Then you should click on or scroll down till you find the preferences section and click on language. Scroll down and tap on change language. Now you should tap on the preferred language section. And here, as you can see, the first section contains the suggested languages, but if you scroll down you can see that there's a vast variety of other languages that you can choose from, so feel free to click on any of these, thereby changing the language of the application. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.